Get ready to witness nature's very own light show. In a specific region of Venezuela, near Lake Maracaibo, an extraordinary phenomenon known as the Catatumbo lightning takes place. This area experiences an average of 260 stormy nights per year, with intense lightning displays that can last up to 10 hours. Surprisingly, only 45% of people have heard of this mesmerizing natural spectacle. Join me as we delve into the science behind this perpetual storm and witness the incredible power and beauty of the Catatumbo lightning.